Hello, this is Bobby Miles from TexasSkidSteer.com showing you a Komatsu SK815 that we have for sale. I want to take a walk around the machine and let you get a good look at it. Has a really nice set of tires on it. If you'll notice that it has counterweights on the machine, giving it a little more lifting capacity or tipping capacity. Just a really clean, nice, good running machine. This machine has a good smooth edge bucket on it with a bolt-on cutting edge. It has auxiliary hydraulics, has a good seat in it, has joystick hand controls that work just like a Caterpillar does. The left one works, just point it where you want to go and that's where it goes. The right one works your boom and your bucket. This is a 2-speed machine, which is a wonderful option to have. I'm going to turn over the camera and get in it and demonstrate the machine for you. Just a real good, solid running machine with auxiliary hydraulics, joystick, hand controls, 2-speed, just ready to go to work. Nice quality, good, honest, good running machine from TexasSkidSteer.com. Thank you for watching.